Today's unboxing or unbagging and plastic wrapping this pair of Aces fidget slider device. So I've seen a lot of these online, and eventually I was tempted just to go and get one. I think I paid about $7 for this. Nice chunky metal, probably 4 centimeters by 3 centimeters, something like that. And then you sort of slide it to open. So that's all it does really. It's a slider with 2 positions. It's quite, oh, there's the back side. What have we got in there? There's like a bit of cheap gauze to kind of keep the magnets in. That sort of doesn't look as good as the other ones I've seen online. Looks okay. I mean, it feels quite nice. It feels quite sturdy. It's a bit of a turny action, and there we go. It comes apart. It's supposed to come apart. This little magnetic hinge there, and there are those magnets. I think they look a little bit sloppy there, to be fair. I'd like it all to look a bit more like that, but $7. It's okay. Will I buy it again? Well, with that hinge, you can see it just pops off. Not super impressed. $7, that's about right. Well, that's it. The Aces slider fidget toy.